Hey there, science fans. Today, we're going to talk about something truly amazing. It's happening on the other side of the world in China. Get ready to learn about China's driverless SkyTrain. This isn't science fiction. These trains are real and they are changing how people get around. This incredible technology was developed by a company called CRRC. They launched the first driverless SkyTrain in the city of Zhengzhou back in 2020. Since then, these futuristic trains have been popping up in more and more cities across China. These trains are changing the game when it comes to public transportation. They are sleek, efficient, and best of all, completely automated. Buckle up as we explore what makes this technology so revolutionary. Now, you might be wondering, how do these trains work without a conductor? It's a fascinating question that leads us into the world of advanced technology and innovation. Well, it's all thanks to some cutting-edge technology. These trains are a marvel of modern engineering. These trains are packed with advanced systems that allow them to operate autonomously. They are designed to be efficient, safe, and reliable. First, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of it as the train's brain. This AI is constantly processing information and making decisions. It helps the train think and make decisions. The AI analyzes vast amounts of data in real time to ensure smooth operation. It uses data from sensors to figure out the best routes and avoid obstacles. These sensors are like the train's eyes and ears. Then there's LiDAR, which is like radar but with lasers. This technology is crucial for the train's navigation. LiDAR helps the train see its surroundings. It sends out laser beams and measures the reflections to create a detailed map. It creates a three-dimensional map of the environment so the train knows where everything is. This ensures precise and safe navigation. Of course, no train would be complete without cameras. These cameras provide essential visual data. These aren't your everyday cameras, though. They are high definition and designed for all weather conditions. They provide a 360-degree view around the train so it can see everything. This panoramic view is crucial for safety. And don't forget about the communication systems. These systems ensure the train stays connected. They keep the train connected to the control center just like a cell phone. This constant communication is vital for monitoring and control. Finally, all of the data from the train is sent to the cloud. This allows for continuous monitoring and analysis. This allows the system to learn and improve over time. Pretty cool, right? The future of transportation is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Now, let's talk about what it's like to ride on one of these futuristic trains. These trains are not just a glimpse into the future. They are a testament to how far technology has come in making our daily commutes more efficient and enjoyable. First of all, they are incredibly smooth. The ride is so seamless that you might even forget you're on a train. You'll feel like you're gliding through the air. The advanced suspension systems and precision engineering ensure a ride that's as smooth as silk. And because they are driverless, you won't experience any jerky starts or stops. The automated systems handle everything with perfect timing and precision. Safety is a top priority too. These trains are designed with the latest safety technologies to ensure passenger well-being. These trains are equipped with multiple safety systems. From advanced sensors to automated emergency responses, every aspect is covered. They have sensors that can detect obstacles on the tracks and emergency brakes that can stop the train quickly if needed. This ensures that any potential hazards are dealt with promptly. Another great feature is their energy efficiency. These trains are designed to be as eco-friendly as possible. These trains are designed to use less energy than traditional trains. This not only reduces operational costs, but also minimizes their environmental footprint. They even have regenerative braking, which captures energy when the train slows down and uses it to power other systems. This innovative feature makes them even more sustainable. And here's the best part, these trains are designed to work seamlessly with other forms of transportation. This integration makes commuting more convenient and efficient. Imagine taking the subway, hopping on the driverless SkyTrain, and then catching a bus, all with one ticket. This level of integration is what makes urban transportation truly futuristic. That's the future of urban transportation. A seamless, efficient, and eco-friendly system that makes getting around the city a breeze. Now, you might be thinking, SkyTrains aren't exactly new, are they? And you're right, but China's driverless SkyTrains are a whole different ballgame. First of all, the level of automation is incredible. Unlike older SkyTrain systems that still require human operators, these trains are completely autonomous. They don't need a driver at all. Second, they are highly scalable. That means it's easy to add more trains or extend the lines as needed. This is crucial in rapidly growing cities. Finally, these driverless SkyTrains are much more cost-efficient to operate. Without the need for drivers, labor costs are significantly reduced. And thanks to their energy efficiency, they also save money on electricity. It's a win-win. Section 5. America's uphill battle. Why the US struggles to keep pace. So if this technology is so great, why don't we have driverless SkyTrains in the United States? Well, it's complicated. You see, the US faces a unique set of challenges that make it difficult to implement innovative transportation systems like this. One major obstacle is the way things are regulated in the US. Our transportation laws are very complex and slow to adapt to new technologies. This makes it challenging for companies to test and deploy these new systems. Another hurdle is funding. Building new transportation infrastructure, especially something as advanced as a driverless SkyTrain system, requires a lot of money. And unfortunately, public transportation funding in the US has been lacking for decades. But it's not just about money and regulations, there are also social and cultural factors at play. Let's explore those in the next sections. Section 6. Red tape and empty pockets, regulatory and funding challenges in the US. Let's talk about the first challenge, regulations. Regulations are essential for ensuring safety and standardization, but they can also be a double-edged sword. In the US, there are many government agencies involved in regulating transportation. These agencies include the Department of Transportation, the Federal Transit Administration, and various state and local bodies. This can create a lot of bureaucratic hurdles for companies trying to introduce new technologies. Navigating through the maze of paperwork and compliance can be daunting and time-consuming. For example, a company wanting to build a driverless SkyTrain system might need approval from local, state, and federal agencies. Each level of government has its own set of requirements and standards. Each agency might have its own set of rules and regulations, and the process can take years. This can significantly delay the implementation of innovative transportation solutions. Then, there's the issue of funding. Funding is the lifeblood of any public transportation project, but securing it is often a major challenge. Public transportation projects in the US often rely on government funding, which can be scarce and unreliable. This inconsistency can halt projects midway, leaving them incomplete. Politicians might prioritize other projects over public transit, or they might disagree on how to fund it. These political disagreements can lead to delays and budget cuts. This lack of consistent funding makes it difficult to plan and execute long-term projects like building a driverless SkyTrain system. Without reliable funding, projects can stall indefinitely. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint or enough bricks. The vision is there, but the resources and support are often lacking, making progress slow and uncertain. Section 7. Winning hearts and minds, public perception as a roadblock. Beyond the political and financial hurdles, there's another challenge: public perception. Many Americans are hesitant about driverless technology, especially when it comes to something like a train carrying passengers high above the ground. Think about it. We've all heard stories about self-driving cars malfunctioning. These stories, while often exaggerated, can create fear and distrust in the minds of the public. Overcoming this fear is crucial. People need to be reassured that driverless technology is safe and reliable. This requires transparency from companies and government agencies. They need to clearly communicate how the technology works and what safety measures are in place. It's also important to remember that new technology can be scary at first, but with time and education, people can become more comfortable with it. Section 8. A nation divided, fragmented systems hinder progress. The final challenge the US faces is the fragmented nature of its transportation systems. Unlike China, where the government has a more centralized approach to planning, the US has a patchwork of different transportation agencies across the country. Each city or region might have its own public transportation system, making it difficult to implement a unified system like China's driverless SkyTrain. It's like trying to fit together puzzle pieces from different puzzles. This lack of coordination can lead to inefficiencies and make it harder to secure funding for large-scale projects. To truly embrace innovative transportation solutions like driverless SkyTrains, the US needs to find a way to bridge these divides. It's a big challenge, but not an insurmountable one. By working together, we can create a more connected and efficient transportation future. Section 9, a glimpse into the future. Global impact on transportation. Despite the challenges, it's clear that driverless technology is the future of transportation, and China's driverless SkyTrain is a glimpse into that future. It's a future where transportation is faster, smoother, and more sustainable. Imagine cities with less traffic congestion, cleaner air, and shorter commute times. That's the potential of driverless technology. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a better future for everyone. China's success is inspiring other countries, including the United States, to invest in similar innovations. We might not have driverless SkyTrains zooming through our cities just yet, but it's only a matter of time. As we continue to explore the possibilities of driverless technology, it's important to remember that the goal is not just to replace human drivers. It's about creating a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation system for all. And that's something we can all get behind.